It is April the 14th, and it is very windy today. Temperature's not too bad, it's in the 50s, but as you can tell, this brown, that's not smoke as it is in the winter. That's all dust being blown out of the north. You can hear the wind howling even through the window as it continues to kick up dust. It's almost like a blizzard in the winter, but instead of snow swirling around, it's dust. So this is one of the things we don't like about spring in Mongolia, the high winds and the dust storms. Pretty crazy. But you can just imagine living in one of those buildings, or you can't even see them, but there's gears. There are gears up there as well, so I wouldn't want to be living up there. Weather Channel forecasts that it's blowing at around 22, gusting up to 30 some miles an hour right now. And we have to go out in this in like just a few minutes. Fun stuff.